such dangerous, self-destructive, highly addictive behavior. So either Juliet stops the thumb sucking, or you're just going to have to find yourself another preschool.
Are you busy?
Just pruning a few weeds from the garden. What is it?
Okay. I just thought you should know. We've lost 3 more students.
Are you seriously suggesting you don't know where they are?
No. I know where they are.
So do I.